What if one of the biggest mysteries in space isn't happening on a distant planet, but right above our heads every single day? A constant stream of charged particles from the sun race towards Earth at incredible speeds. Most of the time, we never notice it, but when the solar wind collides with Earth's magnetic field, it creates a powerful invisible battle in space. And today we are following the journey of a spacecraft designed to investigate that mystery like never before. Inside a massive clean room, engineers carefully prepare a remarkable spacecraft called SMILE. Every movement is precise, every detail matters. The mission represents years of planning, testing, and scientific ambition. The spacecraft is slowly lifted into a position as teams work around it. At this stage, even the smallest mistake could affect a mission worth thousands of millions of dollars. But the real mystery was, how can scientists observe the invisible interaction between Earth and the solar wind on a global scale? To answer that question, SMILE carries advanced instruments designed to capture data about Earth's magnetosphere, the giant magnetic shield that protects our planet from harmful solar radiation. As preparations continue, the spacecraft enters one of the most important stages of its journey, encapsulation. A protective payload fairing is carefully placed around the spacecraft. Once enclosed, SMILE is hidden from view, sealed inside the rocket's protective shell. It may smell like a simple cover, but this fairing protects the spacecraft from extreme forces during launch, including powerful vibration, intense sound waves, and rapid acceleration. Scientists later discovered that understanding Earth's magnetic shield is not only important for science, it also helps protect satellites, communication systems, navigation networks, and even power grids here on Earth. With encapsulation complete, the spacecraft begins its journey to the launch pad. Slowly and carefully, the payload is transported across the facility. Every step brings it closer to space. Imagine standing nearby and knowing that this machine could help reveal secrets about the invisible forces surrounding our planet. However, this was only the beginning. The spacecraft is lifted and integrated onto the Vega-C rocket, towering above the launch platform. The rocket becomes the final vehicle that will carry SMILE beyond Earth's atmosphere. After years of design, testing, and preparation, everything now depends on unforgettable moments. Then it happens. The engine ignites. A brilliant column of fire erupts beneath the rocket as it rises into the sky. SMILE begins its journey into space, carrying humanity's hopes for a deeper understanding of the relationship between the sun and the earth. And perhaps most importantly, it reminds us that even the invisible forces around the earth still hold mysteries waiting to be explored. What discovery do you think SMILE might reveal about our planet's magnetic shield? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy exploring the wonders of space, don't forget to subscribe to Space Journey for more incredible missions, discoveries, and cosmic mysteries.